Yo guys, today I will push my boss to tire max. So here we go. I had some good players, but I can beat this hopefully. Alright, here we go. What is the tick doing? Oh, he moves. Okay. Oh no, Mandy. Okay, I can dodge this. Okay, great. Let's get the amps. The tick super. Great. The Mandy is so annoying. Okay, let's get these cubes. Good job. Oh, the mortis is... Oh, we can escape. Okay, great job. No. The Macy with 11 cubes kills me. That's so annoying. No, Macy, you're not doing it. Are you serious right now? This is so annoying. But we are still at 993 trophies, so 7 trophies to go. Alright, let's play another game. We are getting this tire max, guys, I can promise that. Maybe this game is the game for the tire max. Alright, here goes nothing. Let's get the cube. But I'm playing really bad today, I don't know why. Maybe because, yeah, I am tired from the week. That's the reason, I think. Okay, here we go. Dynamite with 4 cubes. Can I get him with my super? Oh, he's going to the bush. Ah, no, man. I don't see him. Okay, here we go. Oh, I missed my super. What a aim, bro. You are doing so well. No, I'm not doing well. Okay. Let's try it again. Oh, the super from the dynamite. And he stuns me with the gadget. The stupid gadget. If we get second place, then it's already enough, okay? I am playing so bad, guys. Sorry for the gameplay, but hopefully you still enjoy the video. Okay. Let's go. The Piper has... That stupid player out of the game. Back to the lobby. Okay, here we go. Let's charge my super. Bro, that boss has literally like 11, no 15 cubes. That's actually insane. If you get second place, then I'm really happy. I literally did almost nothing. We are second place. Are you serious right now? I'm gonna die. And he is also gonna die. But it doesn't matter. 1005 trophies. We are doing so well. My first tire max of the season. Of this season. My 6th tire max. Guys. Boss tire max completed.